Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
This video, guys, we'll work here on a BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005-2013. That one will be E90, E91, E92, E93, and if you're trying to locate the fuse for your VANOS, okay, we'll show you where to find those for the VANOS solenoids. The fuse is a little bit hidden, so stay with us. Also, in the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. We'll be uploading videos constantly about this car and other vehicles as well. So BMW, that generation, uses 2 or 3 different fuse boxes. Engine management fuse boxes, so depending on when yours was built, so always double check that yours is like ours. In the meantime, you know where your VANOS solenoids are, okay? They're hidden right there on the front side of the engine. So the fuse is actually under the hood, under that fuse box where your engine computer is located. It's right under this cover. We'll have the video how to remove the cover and get to it, so if you need to check it out, it will be on the channel. So we don't want to waste your time watching that. Now, right here, inside the box, usually you'll find that fuse panel with 5 fuses. We pulled it up already so I can show you. That will be the way how you replace them. You kind of like pull it up. So you can do it without pulling it up, but it's easier. If you want to pull it up, okay, that tab right here, you push it back, okay, this way, and pull the thing out. After that, there is one clip here on the back, guys. Okay, that clip. So we need to pry this one open, and while it's open, we need to pry the fuse block out. All 5 fuses come out at the same time, all 5 of them. As you can see, just like that. So now, in order to remove the fuses, here you have a few clips, 2 on the back side, 1 on the front here. You need to press those in and pull it out. We already got ours loose, so because I think sometimes takes like 5 minutes to do it. And fuse number 2, this is the second fuse from left to right. It's a 30 fuse, is the one for the VANOS. Okay, this fuse right here. It actually does quite a few things, but if you're looking just for the VANOS fuse, this is it, guys. So if you need replacement fuses or parts, check out where we purchase our things from. Usually really good price we get on parts. So we push it in with a replacement fuse if yours is burnt. Okay, close this one until it clicks. We will leave ours halfway open because I will be making another video for the other fuses so you can see what they're for. So hopefully guys, you know, it's something that will be helpful to you. After that, go ahead, make sure that all the fuses align and press it in. Okay, perfect. You hear that click, and that fuse box will need to be installed on the mount there, so you need to push it down, and don't forget to pull your cover as well. So thank you guys for watching us. Please subscribe.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.